is the exterior view of the project I did. So this is a 3-bedroom apartment I did for a client. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of our online Revit tutorial course. So guys, on this episode of our course, we are going to learn how to export JPEG file. In other ways, when you done your 3D element and you want to export your drawing as JPEG, you are going to learn how to export your drawing from Revit and get it as a JPEG into a document file. So guys, if you are not part of the family, just hit on the subscription button to be part of the family. And also you have to like our Facebook page, which is, so first of all, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are on the 100 subscribers mark. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are hitting 1K at the end of this year. So guys, and also we have a Facebook account here as well. We have 3K followers, so don't forget to also like our Facebook and follow us as well. So guys, let's move into the tutorials and see what we have for you. So as I said, today on this episode of our course, we are going to learn about how to export your rendering view. So in case you have a rendering or you've done some skirmishes or some drawing in Revit, how to export it in JPEG. So let's move right away. So this is a project in which I have done previously for a client. This was a full beam. I modeled everything, the MEP and also electrical. So I'm going to take you through before we export our file. So when you come into my exterior view, right from the project browser on my right, you can see this is the exterior view of the project I did. So this is a 3-bedroom apartment I did for a client. So in case you are in need of a drawing or you are in need of any support, just comment on the comment section box. You need a help. In case you want to also teach us more, you can also leave at the comment section box so that we move on. So guys, let's move right away into what. So this is the exterior view, and also I have the block plan here. So this is the site plan. In case you are new here, you don't know how to find out a site plan, check my previous video. So this is the site plan. Then I have also sent it to a block plan in a scale of 1:200. Aside, I try to do some solar analysis by dealing with the orientation of the building and also where the sun will rise and where the sun will fall, in order for a proper planning on this project. So when you come to the ground floor, we also have the ground floor plan here with a bedroom, master bedroom, with the entrance and with bedrooms here as well. We have the WC and also this stuff here. Aside, I did the room legend, and I think I've shown you how to do a roof legend. Check out the top here to watch my tutorials on how to present presentational drawing to a client. And also I have some section here, 3D section view here for the client to see what's going on in the building. So when you come to the roof too, I also have a section here. You can see the roof as well. And also I did some electrical elements with a legend here in Revit. So I'm going to show you. I think we've learned about how to use this legend, not cow along, and we have the note here as well. So we also have the plumbing plan here, and this was a full beam. So when you see here, you can see I've tried to place the pipes in the manhole or the inspection chamber as well. So in case you need any help, just comment at the comment section box, and also don't forget to like the video as well. And so these are a few things I've done here. I also have a section passing through the building, passing through the visitors WC, the living room, the backyard, and also have some 3D section. So in case you want to also learn how to create these various views, these various sections, you just have to comment at the comment section board, and also follow our videos as well, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So our main focus today is to export our exterior view into a JPEG in order to save the JPEG in our document area in order to send it to the client. And when you export your file from Revit, you can also use Photoshop to brighten the colors or the view in order to get like a lucrative view as well. So let's move on another section. So there is another section here, and also we have some lucrative elevations, and also we have the doors here, and also the window schedules here as well. So guys, let's move on to our main focus today. So our main focus, so after this is just a view in which I just took in Revit. So in case you want to have an exterior view, you just have to come into your floor plan here. So when you come to your ground floor plan here, so there's your ground floor plan, you just have to come to the house, that's the 3D. So you click on this small triangle here, then you click on camera. So when you click on camera here, first what you have to do first is to okay, so I think it's best, because this one is a client project, let's do duplicate here. So when we do duplicate here, we have another duplicate of the floor plan here. So when you have this floor plan, what you have to do next is to uncheck your crop view. So when you uncheck your crop view, then you can have other elements which has been hide or which has been hidden. Then you come back to your 3D view, the small triangle below here, then you click on your camera side. So when you click on your camera side, you can stand somewhere here to show your drawing as well. So this is a sample of what you can see. Then you can come into the visual style. So the visual style export at the hidden edge. So you come to the visual style and you set it to realistic. So when you set it to realistic, we are going to see something like this. And also, we are not done. You can also come to the graphic display. Another graphic display, we have other elements in which you can do. We have the shadow. Under the shadow, we have the shadow, cast shadow, and also the shadow ambient, ambient shadow as well. But what I did here was I placed the background, which is at the sky, at the back of the building like this. Oh, okay, so this is what you will see. So in case I want to export this file, how should I go by it? So this is our main focus today, and please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are hitting 100k or 1000k subscribers this year, and this month we are hitting 500 subscribers. So please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more value, and we are going to provide videos to you more and more. Okay, so guys, let's move on. So after I've done this view, and I can also do more under the graphic display by using some lighting here. We have the sun tool as well here, so I can also brighten and also add more ambient light here as well. So there's an option in which you can work along here, as well. So let me do OK. So after our settings, we can see like a bright view with more sunrise in the building as well. So how do we export this file into a JPEG? So to export this file, you have to come to what? File. When you come to file here, then you come to export. You come to export. So when you come to export, you just browse to the down. You can also use this arrow. So when you come here, you see images and what? Animations. Images and animations. So you just have to come to the image. So this image export helps you to what? Transfer what? Your file that you did, or the view in which you can see at what? 3D view 1 here, from here into what? A JPEG file. And also we have few settings here as well. So first of all, you have to determine where you want to save your file. So in case you want to make any change, so I'm going to save my drawing at what? Let's say let me bring this file here so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to save my file at my document. So I'll just have to create a folder. So I'll do 3D to client. Okay, so after that I'll do save, then I'll do save here. Okay, so after I've done, then I can do a few settings. Image size, if you know about JPEGs, if you know about pixels, you also determine the type of pixels. But what I do normally is use the zoom area, and also determines how much I want to zoom the size. So I do it 100%. And also you can select your various file in which you want to export. So I'm going to use JPEG first, or I can try PNG, which is the same or similar to the JPEG, and I can also choose JPEG here. And also I'm going to set this one into 300. After that, I'll just have to click on OK. So the file is loading, Okay, so let's see if we can find our file from my document as well. So let's check out from this folder. So in case you want to find out, maybe you are at the desktop area, you just have to, I'm using two screens, so you know how to open a folder, right? Okay. So I'm trying to open a folder from the second screen so that I will show you how it works. So this is my PC area. So I just have to come to document here and also look for 3D to client. So I can see my file has been set into JPEG here. Oh wow, that's nice. So guys, this is how to export your file from Revit and also save it at any place of your choice. And I'm going to do something which will interest you. I'm going to set this file into my desktop. So let's see how the file looks like on my desktop. So this is my desktop, and you can see the file right here on my desktop. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are hitting on the 100k subscribers, 1000k subscribers at the end of this year. I'm going to record plenty videos too as a value videos, so that you can learn Revit from scratch as well. And also, if you haven't watched this video, kindly watch this video right away from here. Thanks and peace be unto you. Bye.